I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best Cajun chicken pasta. Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making Cajun chicken pasta. Cajun chicken pasta is one of my favorites and it's so easy to make. I'm gonna serve this pasta with small pizza bites. Trust me, you're all gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with seasoning our chicken with the cayenne pepper, garlic, cumin, coriander, white and black pepper, cardamom, allspice, smoked paprika, salt, oregano, and finally some thyme. And add a good touch of oil in there, enough to bring everything together. Give that a really good mix. Now for the chicken I'm using breast. You could also use thighs instead. Thighs are a bit more juicier than the breast, but I like them both. Now you want to give this a really good mix until everything is well coated. This pasta recipe is perfect for dinner. You and your family is gonna absolutely love this. This is exactly what you're looking for. Now let it marinate for at least an hour.
Perfect.
Now for our main pasta ingredients, we're gonna flavor with some of the whole garlic cloves. If you like a strong flavor of the garlic, then you can finely chop it. To add a bit of kick, I'm using a bird's eye chili. Remove the seeds if you don't like it too hot. I'm also gonna use one of the red chili just to add a bit more flavor. Get rid of the seeds for this one. You want to finely chop the chilies. I'm also gonna use some of the red pepper. Again, make sure to finely chop it so it will just melt away in the sauce. Now the heart of the sauce is gonna be these sun-dried tomatoes. Make sure to definitely use them, it's gonna add a lot of flavor. And these go amazing on pizzas as well. You want to finely chop them. And finally you want to grate some of the cheese. I'm using it cheddar. You could also use mozzarella, feta, or some of the parmesan. You will also need some of the passata, or you could use some chopped tomatoes. And here we've got some fresh basil leaves. Alright, let's start with cooking our chicken. Turn the heat to a medium. And with a good touch of oil, grab your marinated chicken and make sure it's at room temperature. And now let's add the chicken always away from you. We're going to let the chicken cook for a few minutes on each side until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. It's best if you can purchase a thermometer. Now carefully turn the chicken. Now throw in some of the compound butter. You can check out the recipe in one of my previous videos. Now tilt the pan slightly and you want to baste it for the remaining few minutes. Get the internal temperature read and we can see it's reached around 75 Celsius, and now we can remove this. And we're gonna finish cooking the next batch of our chicken. That looks so delicious. One of the best Cajun chicken with some of the compound butter. Now leave the chicken to rest while we cook our pasta. Now get the pan nice and clean, in with a good touch of olive oil, and make sure the heat is on medium. With the garlic, bird's eye chili, with the red chili. Give that a really good mix and flavor the oil. Make sure to use a good quality olive oil for this, the smell is amazing. And now we're going to throw our sun-dried tomatoes. Just slowly add that in. And in with the red pepper. Let this cook for a few minutes and saute. Oh, the aroma of sun-dried tomatoes just on another level. This Cajun chicken pasta is going to be so delicious. Now throw in your passata along with some of the water. Add a good touch of salt, black pepper, some of this Cajun spice, with a few basil leaves. Now you want to give this a really good mix and let it cook on low medium heat for around 15 minutes. You want to get rid of some of the acidity from the tomatoes. Oh, it smells great. It's best to leave it covered. And while the sauce is cooking, let's boil our pasta. I'm just going to move this to a different heat. In boiling water, add a good touch of salt. And for the pasta, I'm using a penne. You want to let the pasta cook until it's al dente, meaning it still has a bite to it. Alright, let's check our sauce. Bismillah. The consistency of the sauce is perfect. It's exactly what we're looking for. And I'm going to get rid of the garlic and remove all the basil leaves. Now add a light touch of sugar in there helps to balance the acidity further. Leftover juices from the chicken. Now drain the pasta and goes into the sauce. You want to add some of the pasta water as well so we can balance the consistency. Touch of freshly ground black pepper. Now give this a really good mix. Be careful not to break your pasta. Now throw in some of the cheese and continue to mix this. The water is going to help emulsify the sauce a bit. That's the sound you want to hear. It looks so good. Just turn off the heat at this point. That looks so delicious. One of the best Cajun chicken that you will try. Now if you want, you can also use this chicken for your stir fries or serve some of the rice. Now you can mix in the chicken now, or you can serve it separately. And give this a really good mix. And finally you can garnish it with some of the fresh basil leaves. Your delicious Cajun chicken pasta. Fire! Done. I'm gonna garnish the chicken with some of the fresh chives and chili. Now that looks so irresistible. One of the best Cajun chicken pasta you will ever try. For our small pizza bites, grab your toasted baguette and a good touch of tomato sauce onto there. This is not ketchup, by the way. You just want to spread that. A light touch of extra virgin olive oil. Here goes some of the mozzarella. Some of this cheddar. Throw in some of the red chili if you like. You can also add some of the leftover chicken onto there. Season with a touch of black pepper and a bit more olive oil. Now you want to broil this under a preheated grill until the cheese is nicely melted. Now you can garnish it with some of the fresh chives. Our amazing small pizza bites. Done. They look so delicious. This Cajun chicken pasta is perfect.
You win.
Alright guys, let's try our Cajun chicken pasta. It looks amazing. Let's take a bite of this pizza first. Bismillah. Wow, that is so delicious. It is cheesy and it's so flavorful. Alright, on to our Cajun chicken pasta. Let's try this. It looks great. Bismillah. Wow. Oh man, that is so delicious. It is packed with flavor. You can really feel the richness of the sauce and those amazing sun-dried tomatoes. Oh my god, this is just so irresistible. I'm lost for words. Now let's try some of this Cajun chicken. Bismillah. Again, the chicken is cooked to perfection. Oh my god, perfectly said. The sauce is well balanced and is full of flavor. You can taste a bit of the bird's eye chili, the red chili. Oh man, that was so delicious. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Hazrat salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.